Do you know which YouTube channel is #1 in the world? Hello today, let's go together to find out why India's YouTube channel T_Srees can be #1 in the world. Of the channel, YouTuber pewdiepie occupies the #1 position for many reasons you may not know. Currently, the T-Series channel has a total of 138 million, a staggering number that surpasses the pewdiepie channel, which currently has 104 million subscriptions. Indian T_Srees, which specializes in songwriting and recording, is completely popular in Hindi and is popular with Indians, while the popular channel, pewdiepie, has become popular for its gaming videos with humorous and satirical comments. The special thing is that these two channels first posted videos on YouTube together in 2010, only 2 months apart. Why T_Srees is ahead of pewdiepie? There are a few reasons as follows. In 2016, a geo-telecommunications company started to provide free internet for many cheap Chinese phones, making the number of Indians use the internet so rapidly. The second reason: India is a crowded country. The world's second most populous population with 1.3 billion people is not only crowded with young people, accounting for 50% of the population. Young people like YouTube very much. The third cause of T_Srees posting frequency is 6 to 8 videos a day, and pewdiepie is 1 to 2 videos a day. Channel T_Srees has 26 related channels, while pewdiepie has only 1 channel, so my YouTube channel surpasses pewdiepie is easy to understand. My video here is all. Hello everyone, remember to like and sub my channel to follow the videos on this topic. Thank you, have a nice day.
1, 2, 3, come on!